15 YouTube Facts. YouTube is a video sharing website that was created in February 2005. It was founded by three former PayPal employees, Chad Hurley, Steve Chen, and Jod Karim. YouTube was acquired by Google in November 2006 for $1.65 billion. The first video ever uploaded to YouTube was titled Me at the Zoo and was uploaded by co-founder Jod Karim on April 23, 2005. YouTube has over 2 billion monthly active users and is the second most visited website in the world after Google. The platform is available in over 100 languages. YouTube's revenue comes mainly from advertising, with advertisers paying to display their ads on videos and channels. YouTube offers a variety of content, including music videos, comedy skits, movie trailers, and educational videos. YouTube has been credited with launching the careers of many popular creators, such as PewDiePie, Shane Dawson, and Zoella. YouTube has faced criticism over the years for issues such as copyright infringement, misinformation, and content moderation. YouTube has several features for creators, including the ability to monetize their videos, collaborate with other creators, and engage with their audiences through comments and live streams. YouTube has a mobile app that allows users to watch videos on their smartphones and tablets. The platform offers various tools for content creators, such as analytics, audience insights, and video editing software. YouTube has also launched several other products and services, such as YouTube Kids, YouTube Music, and YouTube TV. YouTube has played a significant role in shaping online culture and has become a powerful force in the entertainment industry. Subscribe and share. Feel free to comment any other suggestions you'd like me to cover.